Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I wanted to do a quick video and show you the Coco and Reno subscription that I received this month. I think this is August. Pretty sure it's August. So it's super cute, you guys. It is called, let me show you, it's called Back to Basics. And so it has a lot of basic shapes and I cut all of them out to show them to you. If you're not familiar with Coco and Reno, I will leave their website below. They have a monthly subscription for $14.99 and you receive a die set every month. They also, I think they have a die and stamp subscription too, or just a stamp subscription, but I'm not that much into stamps. So I just opted for the die one, and every subscription that they send to you comes in this really nice bag, which I just use these like when I travel and I have to take like, you know, like little electronics and cords and stuff like that, try to keep them organized, or like certain things that I don't want touching other things. I save all these types of little bags and stuff for that. So that's nice to get one of those. You can also gift that to somebody in Happy Mail, you know, stuff it full of goodies. So many uses. So there's the dies, and then here's how they cut out. And I really like this set. I'm gonna tell you what I think about it though at the end, like who needs it and who might be able to pass on it. So everything comes in like a mama size and a baby size. So we've got that. That kind of reminds me of like a bottle cap. You could use that as a bottle cap. Then we just, and like I said, this is the basics, back to basics. So we've got a lot of basic shapes in here. These will be really good for layering, embellishment, and such. We've got this one. And this is kind of shaped like a ticket. So we've got those two. And you could actually like do two different types of papers and then bump up this one and then put something on the top of it or whatever. Endless possibilities with these, you guys. And then there's this one that also kind of looks like a ticket. Then we have these. And these ones right here. Oops, dropped it. And then we have these stamps, which I got paper on them. Paper shreds from another project. So those are super cute. These would be cute for Valentine's Day and make like little love letters with them. Or like Christmas time. So there's those. And then finally there's these long ones. So this one is just a strip, just a basic strip, and then there's this one, and I'm going to tell you what I think would be a good idea to use this for is if you make a tassel, you can line the top of your tassel with this and just give it like some extra flair at the top. That would be super cute. There's so many things you can do with this, but like that was the first thing I thought of when I saw this one. So there's that. And what I wanted to tell you about who I think this would be good for, I think this would be good for people who don't have die cutting machines. I'm sorry, not die cutting machines. Who don't have cutting machines like a Silhouette or a Cricut, those types of things where you actually have like access to a lot of free files if you sign up for their like monthly subscription, or you look inside. Because like I have the Cricut Access where I pretty much have access to almost everything. There's like very few things, like there's some Hello Kitty stuff where I have to pay $1.99 or whatever, but for the vast majority of things I have access to it, and I can go print these basic shapes anytime I want to, and I can resize them. You know, I can make them big, small, whatever, and I can print as many of them as I want or cut as many of them as I want. I think it's similar for Silhouette. If you have a Silhouette, correct me on that, but that's just my opinion. I feel like if you have those types of cutting machines, this might not be the set for you because it is very basic. But if you don't, and you know, you're looking for a lot of times you're gonna find these like by themselves, or maybe you find like one or two, but it's nice to have this whole set all together. You've got everything and you're good to go. So that was my thoughts on it when I looked at it. Really loving it. I think it's super cute and I think it's going to come in handy. So just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope everyone's doing well. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.